If you've re-recorded the audio of a video 3 times because a car went by in the background, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've been getting comfortable on camera for 4 months and you haven't taken the lens cap off yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If your script has been almost done for 6 weeks now and is currently on draft number 11, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you're already dreading the comments on a video you haven't even made yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you bought a key light, a ring light, and a softbox and you're still trying to figure out your lighting, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If your creation process has a process for improving your process, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you have a running list of 43 ideas for YouTube videos and you haven't even recorded one yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've been rearranging your background so many times your spouse thinks you're redecorating, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If your channel branding is absolutely perfect and you've worked on it for almost a month now and you haven't put a single video up yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If your upload schedule is color-coded 3 different ways and you haven't posted a video yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've spent more time researching microphones than you have talking into one, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've rewritten your YouTube intro so many times you've forgotten what the video is about, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If your quick 30-minute edit has 47 cuts, 3 color grades, and a custom lower third that you created at 2 a.m. in the morning, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've changed your niche 6 times and you change it every time you watch a brand new YouTube video, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've been A/B testing thumbnails for a video you haven't created yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you've rewritten your YouTube channel name 14 times and the only thing you've come up with is Jimmy's new YouTube channel, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If you're already checking analytics for a video you haven't posted yet, you might be a YouTube overthinker. And if you've watched this entire video looking for the perfect answer to overthinking, you might be a YouTube overthinker. If we haven't met yet, my name is Bill. Thanks for watching. Hope you've appreciated the thought process that went on here. I hope you're not an overthinker and you want to get that first video up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.